Hello, long như sao? You better nhận cái này em Fujian or Fujian. Right here, buffet. Let's have some food in Fujian buffet. And look at this. I don't know what's that. Check it in. Wait a minute here, or you can drink soda, get your own fork, everything. Wow, look at this. I've never been here, my first time. Ooh, shrimp coconut, all right. Oh, those are my favorite. Look at that. Wow, so fat. Yummy, yummy. Okay, look at all the food right here. Looks so good. Okay, I cannot wait to eat. Wow, look at those giant shrimps. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, fried rice. Come here, eat fried rice. Oh, this is a dessert station, and there's a salad station is over there. Dessert. Salad. And ice cream over here. Oh, my favorite. Wow. Bút say hi. Over there, okay, look at that. Whoa, look at the sushi bowl. Nice. Sushi, sushi. Yummy, yummy. Okay, let's see. Nhận trắng ăn dẫn lô. So good. We eat a lot today. Look at all those. I don't eat this. I like this one. No, no, no. I cannot eat more. I didn't eat those. I didn't eat those. But this one, you let them cook for you. I'm so sorry. But here, and then the guy cooked. Tung, tung, tung. They work so hard. Thank you, you guys. They work really hard. Oh, we didn't get any dessert. I didn't get any of this because I'm too full. Wow, look at the cookie. Cookie. The siu mai, I did not eat. Okay, so I'm leaving to go get dessert somewhere. I don't want to eat the dessert in here. I don't want the ice cream from here. So we're gonna go get ice cream somewhere. Okay. Look at that chocolate fountain. So cute, right? Little kid like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. We are full now. So yummy, so good. Yay. Thank you. Hello, Louisa. Look at this big shrimp. Do you guys have a big shrimp? No? Ooh, my smashed sauce. So good. Nhập vào từ đá củ tàu.